Take a minute to learn how to view your student grades by unit and by semester, plus a couple of bonus view options. When you open your gradebook, it will default to the view of the current grading period, which in this case is Unit 2. You can easily switch to the fall semester view, which includes Units 1 through 3. Tap on the Unit 2 link to view the drop-down menu, where you can select another unit, or tap on the Fall 2022 link to view the 3 units that make up the fall semester. This includes columns for grade averages for each unit in addition to the overall average. Scroll to the right to view all of the items in your gradebook. If you want to view just one category of materials, tap on the All Materials link to choose the category you wish to view. You can switch between categories or switch back to all materials at any time. If your course has linked sections, tap on the link farthest left to switch between your sections. To learn more about your Schoology gradebook, check out the videos below.